Snowflake fractal patterns pulsing gleaming, crystallized from chaos into organized forms. Each random pleasure is a hurricane, encompassing both power and calm. This synergy is sublime, when the whole is more than, different from the sum of. It is the emergence of love, rising from the Don't fear me, because I know what I want. Please deliver me that soul out of your soul. It makes you freeze time, staring in at yourself. It's time to step outside onto the path you once made. Let me dream you so I can find all your tears. I can mend you so you can function again. I was where you are in oblivion. I know you feel alone. You got to ask yourself where you are now. It's where you are now. It's where you are now. I can fix you, but only at a price. I'm coming for you, just don't you fall in love. I can fix you, but only at a price. I'm coming for you, just don't you fall in
It must be cause I'm older now, my patience is broken. And I don't know what to tell you, I'm really over these potent. These fucking jokers think they can popping and snorting. They got their boys with them starting shit, people try to ignore them. Yo, they always end up fighting management. Call law enforcement, they break up the party. Then there is no one to do a show for, I'm through with it. There's always one motherfucker who ruling it. Always one sorry loser who jealous because you're doing it. Sick of backstabbers, wanna stab them with daggers. These slackers that claim they rappers and actually act like faggots.